Hi, it's Randog here for History Surfer and Dr. A. Here before the hurricane. Not going to try to say it, screwed up once already, but we're at the Jupiter Inlet, Jupiter Pier. Juno Pier. We're going to see before and after. Hope you like it. See you in a little bit.
Hey everyone, it's Dr. A here. I'm holding the camera today for a little bit. I'm looking at Juno Pier, a real popular surfing spot here in South Florida, and we're looking at the time before the storm. Friday, it's the 31st of July. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. See what comes tomorrow. We're supposed to get the storm, as far as we know, at 2. Have a great one. Catch you later.
Hi, Randog here for History Surfer and Dr. A. We're at the Jupiter Inlet. It's a great spot down by the jetty there. If it gets too big, you can get out there by the jetty, brakes left and right. When it gets big, you can get out that way by the inlet and get out there to the offshore reef. Again, this is Friday for Isaias is coming, and we're going to give you a before and after shot. So hope you like the view, because it's coming, guys. Hang in there.